Many parents say that my child has started lying. What should I do? उसने पहली बार मुझसे झूठ बोला है. When children lie, it can feel worrying and even hurtful. But here is the important truth. Most childhood lying is not about being bad. It is about development, fear, and unmet needs. Today, let's understand why children lie and how mindful parents can respond in a way that builds honesty. Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. Let's understand this first, that why children lie. There can be many reasons. Reason number 1, to avoid punishment. This is the most common reason. If a child fears a strong reaction, their brain goes into protection mode. This lie becomes a shield. For example, did you break the toy? No, it just fell. What the child is thinking? I don't feel safe telling the truth. अगर मैंने सच बोल दिया तो मम्मा डांटेगी या मम्मा मारेगी. I don't know what. Reason number 2, because of imagination, especially for the ages between 3 to 6. Young children often mix fantasy and reality. Their brain is still learning the difference. For example, I didn't eat the chocolate, the teddy ate it. See, this is often not intentional dishonesty, it is developmental imagination. Reason number 3, to please parents. Some children lie because they want approval. For example, yes, I finished my homework, when they haven't. The need underneath is connection and praise. Reason number 4, to gain control or avoid something. Sometimes lying is a way to escape discomfort. For example, a teacher said no homework today. This usually increases when children feel too much pressure or lack of choice. Reason number 5, because they see adults lying. Children learn more from what we do than what we say. So if they hear that, tell them that I'm not at home. Small social lies or inconsistent truth telling, they absorb the pattern. So parents, please check what you are saying in front of your kids. Many loving parents unknowingly do this, that harsh scolding, labeling that you are a liar, or long lectures, catching or cornering the child, over punishing. See, this responses increase fear, and fear increases lying. आप उन्हें डराओगे, धमकाओगे, पनिश करोगे तो वो झूठ बोलना बंद नहीं करेंगे, शायद वो ज्यादा बोलने लगेंगे. So करें तो क्या करें? How mindful parents should respond? Step 1, stay calm first. When you discover the lie, pause. Your goal is not to catch the child. Your goal is to teach honesty safely. Step number 2, reduce fear in the moment. Use calm and neutral tone. So instead of saying, why did you lie? ऐसे क्यों बोला? तुम झूठ क्यों बोलते हो? Try that, I'm glad you told me this. You can tell me the truth, you're safe. बताओ, क्या हो गया? तुम्हें क्यों झूठ बोलना पड़ा? This lowers the child's defensive wall. Step number 3, state what you notice without accusing. Describe the situation calmly. For example, I see the toy is broken. I notice the homework is not done. This avoids power struggle. Step number 4, teach, don't label. Never attack character. Avoid saying things like you are a liar, तुम तो हमेशा झूठ बोलते हो. So instead say that sometimes it feels hard to tell the truth when we are worried. जब आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप नहीं बता सकते हो, तभी आप ऐसा बोलते हो ना, कोई बात नहीं, I can understand you, आप मुझे बता सकते हो. So this keeps the child's identity safe. Step number 5, focus on repair, not punishment. After the truth comes out, guide responsibility. For example, let's think how we can fix this. What can we do next time? This builds accountability without shame. What builds long-term honesty? Children tell the truth more when home feels emotionally safe. Mistakes are handled calmly. Parents model honesty. truth is appreciated, and consequences are predictable but not scary. So honesty grows in safety, not fear. So आप अगर चाहते हैं कि आपका बच्चा एक सही इंसान बने, सच्चा इंसान बने, तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले आप अगर छोटे मोटे झूठ बोल रहे हैं जो मे बी आपके लिए वो झूठ नहीं आई, और जस्ट अवॉइडिंग द सिचुएशंस कि अभी के लिए उसको ऐसा बोल दो या बोल दो मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ, तो ये सब आपको बंद करना पड़ेगा। और उनको इमोशनल एक सेफ एनवायरनमेंट दो जहाँ पे वो खुल के आपके साथ सब शेयर कर सके। अगर उनसे कुछ गलती हुई भी है तो आके आपको बता सके। यू हैव टू बी दैट अप्रोचेबल। Let me share another real life moment. One afternoon, Raghav was playing in his room while his father was working nearby. Earlier that day, Papa had clearly said that no ball inside the house. After some time, the loud sound came from the room. Papa walked in and saw the photo frame on the floor. Glass cracked. Raghav stood frozen, ball behind his back. Papa asked calmly, Raghav, did the ball hit the frame? Raghav quietly shook his head. No, it just fell. Papa felt the irritation rising inside. He knew what had happened. His first instinct was to say that don't lie, I saw the ball. But he paused. One slow breath. Then, in a steady voice, he said, I see the frame is broken and the ball is here. He moved a little closer and softened his tone. You can tell me the truth. You're safe. Raghav's eyes filled with tears. His grip on the ball loosened. In a small voice, he admitted, I was playing, it hit the frame. Papa nodded gently. Thank you for telling me the truth. Raghav looked surprised, not shouted at, not shamed. Then Papa added kindly but firmly, balls are for outside. Now let's think how we can fix this. Together, they carefully picked up the pieces. No lectures, no label. Just calm guidance and responsibility. That evening, something small but important had shifted. Raghav had learned that telling the truth is safe in this house. When children feel safe after telling the truth, they choose honesty more often next time. Situation of the session is, it's evening at home. You had clearly told your child to finish his homework before playing. After some time, you ask him, is homework done? He quickly replies, yes, it's done. Later, you casually check his bag and realize that the homework notebook is blank. It's not done. Your heart shrinks. You feel disappointed, maybe a little angry. You call him again. Did you finish your homework? He looked at you, pauses and softly says, yes, Mama, it's done. Now you know for sure that he had lied. What will you say? What will be your reaction? Before responding to your child, pause, take one slow breath. Remind yourself that picky eating is common and developmental. When you stay calm, the meal stays calm. Gently but clearly state the routine. For example, you can say that this is what we are having for dinner. You may eat what your tummy needs. Do not prepare a separate special meal in that moment. Consistency builds security. Make sure the plate has at least one familiar food your child usually accepts. It can be roti, dal, chawal, or any fruit. This reduces anxiety and gives the child some control. If the child eats only the safe food, stay neutral. Do not force bites, bargain or bribe, compare with other children, distract with screens. Instead, keep conversation light and model eating the same food yourself, because children learn by watching. So parents, please remember that lying in childhood is often a skill building phase, not a character flaw. So बी अप्रोचेबल टू देम। वो जब भी उनको कुछ शेयर करना है तो वो बिना डरे आपसे आके बात कर सके। इससे क्या होगा कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑनेस्ट रहेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो सच में अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर करिए। थैंक यू so much for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button